Hi. Right? Just so brain dead. Oh crap, I am facing myself. Oh, whatever. This is my face, bro. This is my face. This is what I look like. This is my doggy. I don't know if y'all can see him, but... You okay, bro? Come here. Oh! He's heavy. He's a year-old Chihuahua Shih Tzu mix. Male. And, yep. His knee is currently in my crotch. Or dog leg, whatever you call it. No. Please do not leave me, puppies. It's very hot out. Jersey fucking sucks, bro. I don't know about you, but Jersey fucking sucks ass. Yes, she is home. No. You are not leaving me, pups. Oh, no. Just go inside. Pretty sure she'll let you come over anyways. She's freaking prissy. FYI, I do not like that little girl. Sweet as she may seem, she is an absolute douche. That's why I don't really like her. Ah, Yeti! Stop trying to leave me. I don't want to be left alone from you. I don't want you to abandon me, brother. My fluffy brother. Yes, you are my family. You're my blood. You are my whatever. No, he will not get chicken baby syndrome from this, by the way. I think he's very docile for some reason from being in this habit. Very docile. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all, talk to you about my dog. But yeah, this is my puppers. I've already done a dog reveal and showed him like twice in videos, but like, yeah. Yeah, anyways, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Bye.